Hey everyone, welcome back to Meditation Tips. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Today, we're talking about the best meditation apps and tools for beginners. Meditation can be challenging, especially when starting out, so we're here to help make your journey a little easier. Let's dive in. First up, we have Headspace, a popular meditation app designed with beginners in mind. The app offers a 10-day guided meditation program called Basics, which introduces newcomers to the fundamentals of meditation through step-by-step instructions. Engaging animations and a friendly voice guide you throughout the process, making it simple and enjoyable to start your meditation journey. Headspace also provides additional courses, sleep support, and mindfulness exercises to help you maintain a consistent practice. Our next recommendation is Calm, an app known for its extensive library of guided meditations, sleep stories, and relaxing music. Beginners will find the 7-day Calm program particularly useful, as it covers various aspects of mindfulness and establishes a foundation for a daily meditation practice. Calm also offers courses on topics such as stress management, sleep improvement, and self-care to support your overall well-being. Our third recommendation is Insight Timer. Insight Timer is another fantastic option for beginners looking to explore meditation. This app features a vast library of guided meditations, courses, and talks from experienced teachers worldwide. What sets Insight Timer apart is that most of its content is available for free, making it accessible to a wider audience. To find beginner-friendly meditations, use the app's search filters and customize your experience based on your preferences and needs. Last but not least, 10% Happier is an app specifically designed for meditation skeptics. Based on the best-selling book by Dan Harris, this app aims to demystify meditation and provide practical techniques through various courses. The beginner's course, Meditation 101, addresses common misconceptions and offers guidance on building a sustainable meditation practice. 10% Happier also features interviews with experts, personalized coaching, and additional resources to support your mindfulness journey. As you begin your meditation journey, it's essential to have tools that support your practice. One such tool is a meditation cushion. These cushions help improve your posture, allowing you to maintain the correct alignment during your sessions, ultimately preventing discomfort or strain during longer meditations. There are various styles available, such as Zaffis, Crescents, and Benches, so you can choose one that fits your needs and preferences. Remember, comfort is key when it comes to meditation, so invest in a cushion that makes your practice enjoyable. Another indispensable tool for beginners is a simple timer. A timer helps you establish boundaries for your meditation sessions and allows you to focus on your practice without worrying about the time. Many meditation apps have built-in timers with customizable settings, like interval bells and background sounds. However, you can also use a standalone timer or your smartphone's clock app if you prefer a minimalist approach. The goal is to create a distraction-free environment to support your meditation practice. Lastly, consider incorporating scented candles or essential oils into your meditation space to create a calming atmosphere. Aromatherapy can enhance your meditation experience by promoting relaxation and focus. Some popular scents for meditation include lavender, which is known for its soothing properties, sandalwood, which helps ground and center your mind, and eucalyptus, which promotes clear breathing and mental clarity. Experiment with different scents to find the ones that resonate with you and contribute to a more immersive meditation experience. Don't forget to explore our YouTube channel, Meditation Tips, for even more valuable content tailored to beginners. We regularly share additional tips, tricks, and resources to help you deepen your meditation practice and make it more enjoyable. Our channel features a variety of videos covering different meditation techniques, advice on creating the perfect meditation space, and guidance on overcoming common challenges faced by beginners. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, and feel free to leave comments or suggestions for future videos. We're here to support you on your meditation journey and provide you with the tools you need to succeed. So there you have it, our top meditation apps and tools for beginners. Remember, starting a meditation practice takes time and patience, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll be well on your way to a more mindful and relaxed life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy meditating.